Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the lecture 5 of Software Engineering Basic course. And the context diagram is used to define the scope of the system, and this diagram is included in the business requirements tab. So the as you have uh, recalled, the software requirement will be uh, equally divided into four parts: business requirement, user requirement, and the other two. And the business requirement has a vision statement and the context diagram or the statement, right? So these two things will be in the business requirement. Vision statement will be a overview, or will be a generalization of the broad concept you are trying to solve in the software or the system you are developing, right? So it will be a broader view of your project, and the context statement is used to define the scope of the project, right? Then we have the use case model diagram. It is really important in today's software industry, because it is quite the standard to define the uh, requirements, this use case model, right? So it is used to define user requirements, and it is quite the standard for nowadays. And it has actor and use case. So actor is the person or the entity interacting with the system, and use case is the functionality of the system. So we will talk about these diagrams a lot more in the further lectures, but for the lecture 5, it is enough to give an introduction of all these concepts. And that's all for this lecture, and I will see you in the lecture 6 of this course. Thanks for watching.